Here's how to use the cleanup tool on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you wanted to make use of the very new feature cleanup so that you can remove background objects or just edit your photos using Apple Intelligence to make them look a bit better, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now on here, there are some requirements to be able to have access to that cleanup tool. Essentially, these are requirements that are the same as Apple Intelligence. It says basically it's a new feature, but it does require Apple Intelligence because it's powered by Apple Intelligence. The requirements are that you need an iPhone 16 or iPhone 15 or any variations or models of iPhone 15 or 16. Now, keep in mind, you also need iOS 18.1, so you need to update your operating system. So let's go into your settings, tap on General, and Software Update. Make sure that you've updated to iOS 18.1 here. If you haven't already, just update. And then on About, we want to make sure you have model name here. It shows that you have an iPhone 15 or an iPhone 16. After that, you're good to go. Let's go back here, tap on Apple Intelligence at the very bottom, and make sure you just toggle this on or hit join waitlist and then enable it. Now, after we've done all that, we can use the cleanup tool. So let's open up the Photos app here and tap on a photo. A really cool feature is that you can remove various objects in a photo, and you can do that by tapping on the little kind of slider icons at the bottom center, and you'll be able to see cleanup at the bottom right. Now on here, it will analyze the photo and you just need to take your finger and tap, brush, or circle. Let's tap these little paint chips and say we want to remove these. I can do that. And just like that, it does a really good job removing those from this kind of color card. But let's go back and give it something a bit more difficult. Let's choose a different photo. Let's say this one. And you can see this pipe broke at my house. Maybe I wanted to remove that pipe. Let's tap on the little slider icon again and hit cleanup. And then once we do hit cleanup, sometimes we'll have to analyze it. But let's say I want to remove this pipe. Let's see how good of a job it does. It does a pretty good job. So I can remove that. And let's say this other part I want to remove as well. You can circle it and it does okay job. It does a bit better. But again, depending on the specific photo and what you're removing, it will allow you to remove it, or it might just not work very well. So again, if I circle this kind of wire thing, I can circle it and it didn't really do a good job. So I can circle it again. And there we go. It does a better job. So keep in mind, you might have to try a couple times. In some photos, it might work better than others, but it is a really cool feature that is built into your iPhone. You don't need to download and install any third-party apps, and you, of course, don't need to pay for it. It's all built into Apple Intelligence. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.